CviLux Group. Since 1990, CviLux Group has been committed to connecting the world. We design and manufacture electronic connectors, flexible flat cables, and cable assemblies. Our components are found in consumer electronics, computing, telecom, and optoelectronics. We operate 7 advanced factories across Asia to ensure consistent quality and capacity. With a strong global sales network and smart information systems, we support distributors and end customers in real time. We actively pursue ODM and OEM partnerships with world-class brands, delivering speed, stability, and quality in every connection. CviLux Group.